21st Century, Zinc, 50 mg, 110 tablets. Product Overview Description. Chelated 10% free dietary supplement antioxidant nutrient to help maintain normal cell growth. 21st Century, for a healthier future, guaranteed quality, laboratory tested. 21st Century Zinc 50 mg aids in carbohydrate metabolism and assimilation of nutrients. Zinc, an antioxidant nutrient, helps to maintain normal cell growth and development. Suggested use. Take 1 tablet daily with any meal or as directed by your healthcare provider. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Individual results may vary. Other ingredients: cellulose, stearic acid, silicon dioxide, cross-carbonlose sodium, polyvinyl alcohol, titanium dioxide, magnesium stearate, PEG, talc. No added sugar, yeast, preservatives or artificial flavors. Gluten-free. Warnings. Consult a healthcare provider prior to use if pregnant, nursing, on medications, have a medical condition or are planning a medical procedure. Stop use and contact a physician if adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if product appears to be tampered with or seal is broke. Store at room temperature. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.